Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Coding Barn. If you are preparing for an embedded systems interview, then this video is extremely important for you. Today, I'll explain the top 10 most important embedded interview questions that are repeatedly asked in freshers, mid-level, and even senior interviews. I will explain each question clearly from an interviewer's point of view. So let's start. Question 1. What is the difference between microcontroller and microprocessor? This is one of the most basic but most important embedded interview questions. A microcontroller contains CPU, RAM, ROM, and peripherals like GPIO, a UART, SPI, all on a single chip. A microprocessor mainly contains only the CPU and depends on external memory and peripherals. Microcontrollers are low power, low cost, and mainly used in real-time embedded applications like washing machines or automotive systems. Microprocessors are powerful and used in systems like Linux boards and computers. Interview tip: always mention power, cost, and real-time usage. Question 2. What is the volatile keyword and why is it used? The volatile keyword tells the compiler not to optimize a variable. It is mainly used when a variable value can change outside the normal program flow, such as in interrupts or hardware registers. Without volatile, the compiler may cache the variable and cause unexpected behavior. So volatile is very important in embedded systems. Example: status registers, ISR flags. Question 3. What happens when an interrupt occurs? When an interrupt occurs, the CPU stops executing the current instruction. It saves the current context like program counter and registers. Then it jumps to the interrupt service routine using the interrupt vector table. After ISR execution, the CPU restores the context and resumes normal execution. Keywords interviewer likes: context saving, vector table, ISR. Question 4. Difference between polling and interrupt. In polling, the CPU continuously checks the status of a device. This wastes CPU time and power. In interrupt-based systems, the CPU is notified only when an event occurs. Interrupts are more efficient and widely used in real-time embedded systems. Question 5. What is a watchdog timer? A watchdog timer is used to recover a system from software faults. If the software hangs and fails to reset the watchdog timer, the system automatically resets. This is very important in safety critical systems like automotive and medical devices. Always say reliability and fault recovery. Question 6. Difference between stack and heap. Stack memory is used for local variables and function calls. It is fast and automatically managed. Heap memory is used for dynamic memory allocation. In embedded systems, heap usage is risky due to fragmentation and limited memory. Bonus point: stack overflow is a common embedded bug. Question 7. What is Endianness? Endianness defines the order in which bytes are stored in memory. In little endian systems, the least significant byte is stored first. In big endian systems, the most significant byte is stored first. This is important in communication protocols and low-level programming. Question 8. What is RTOS and why do we need it? RTOS stands for Real-Time Operating System. It provides task scheduling, inter-task communication, and deterministic behavior. RTOS is used when multiple tasks must meet strict timing requirements. Examples include C RTOS, VxWorks, and Zephyr. Interview line: RTOS ensures predictability. Question 9. What is the difference between Mutex and Semaphore? A semaphore is mainly used for signaling between tasks. A mutex is used for mutual exclusion to protect shared resources. Mutex supports ownership, Semaphore does not. Mutex also helps avoid race conditions. Advanced keyword: priority inversion. Question 10. How does UART communication work? UART is a serial communication protocol using TX and RX lines. It uses start bit, data bits, optional parity, and stop bits. Both devices must agree on the baud rate. UART is widely used for debugging and device communication. These were the top 10 embedded interview questions that you must prepare. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. In the next video, I'll cover embedded, C, and RTOS interview coding questions. Thank you for watching.